I said, hey, bartender, hey, man, look here.
You know, I think that R2 unit we bought might have been stolen.
What makes you think that?
Oh, I stumbled across a recording while I was cleaning him. He says he belongs to someone called Obi Wan Kenobi.
That'll be the end of it. It belongs to us now.
But what if this Obi Wan comes looking for him?
He won't. I don't think he exists anymore.
Hey guys, my name is Gary. I'm not a bartender, and welcome back to Casually Drinking. And happy May the 4th to everyone watching. In this episode, I'm gonna be continuing the series of cocktail cinema, where I get movies that I like and make a drink out of it. Today, we're gonna be making blue milk from the Star Wars universe. It's also sold at Disneyland's Galaxy Edge for $7, I believe. The ingredients I'm gonna be using are based off an article that I've read, but I'm adding a little bit of my own flair to it. As always guys, if you like what you see, give a like and subscribe if you're new. Be sure to hit that bell notification icon to see when I upload. Now that that's out of the way, let's get right into the ingredients. So the things you're gonna need are pineapple juice, dragon fruit syrup, blue and white food coloring, rice milk, bananas, coconut cream and milk, Bacardi's pineapple rum, and Malibu rum. Now that the ingredients are out of the way, let's get to mixing. And there you have it, blue milk from a galaxy far, far away. Let's give this baby a taste.
That's fucking good.
If you enjoyed watching, please give a like. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe. Also, be sure to comment what drink you'd like to see me make, because I'll definitely make them. Hit that bell notification icon to see when I upload. And as always guys, later. I'm actually gonna take this